Now what I want to do next is on each page, I want to have everything centered except for the navigation. Go to the index page, and after the navigation closes, I want to write a center tag. And then before the body closes, I want to write a closing center tag. And I'm going to bring it out here so I have hierarchy with my tags. Save that and refresh the page, and everything on the page is centered except for the navigation. And do that for the other pages. Copy the center tag, put it after the navigation, put it after the navigation, and then copy the closing tag and put it before the ending body tag, before the ending body tag. Save it, and then go to the portfolio page, and that's centered, and go to the contact page, and that's centered. Now here's something cool. If we want to section off the website a bit, let's say I wanted to have a different color, maybe a white or a gray behind the words, this is my Photoshop image, and this image to section off the website, this is how you might do it. Right before the H5, this is my Photoshop image, I'm going to write a div tag and give it a class section. And then underneath the image, I'm going to close the div tag. And I'm going to make some room here so I can find it later on. If I want to make more divs, I can copy and paste this. Let's save this and go to the styles.css, and let's make a div.section squiggly bracket. I'm going to give more room down here so you can see what I'm doing. I'm going to write display a block, and then I'm going to write background color white. Save it, refresh the page. Would you look at that? Pretty cool, huh? Last thing I want to show you is, do you see that border on the outside of the navigation here and on the side of this block? We can get rid of that and have the navigation go right up against the edge of the border. Go into your CSS in the body tag, and let's write margin 0 and Command S to save. Refresh the page. Look at that. Now if we go to any of the pages, it will look like that. The last thing I want to do is work on the div section again. I'm going to put a little bit of padding on the top and the bottom so the word and the image isn't right on top of the line right there. Let's write padding top 10 pixels and padding bottom 10 pixels. Save it, and watch this area when I refresh the page. Pretty cool, huh? Just so you can see what's happening there, I'm going to make a border 5 pixels, border color blue, border style solid. Save and refresh the page. So a lot of CSS is creating boxes with margins, borders, and padding, and moving things inside of the boxes, like we did up here for the navigation. I encourage you to go to 3wschools.com/CSS and learn more. If you really want to learn about CSS, click on Borders, Margins, and Padding.